What's up, guys? Just drove by this house to make sure it's still standing before actually going to close and pay for it. It's actually that house right there, but let's go close. Let's go pay for this house, then we'll come back and we'll check it out. We'll see what's going on with this particular property, but it's still standing. What's up?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Meet Chris, everybody.
What's up, everybody? Meet Jackson, everybody.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, Jackson? What's going on, Jackson? First time meeting Jackson.
Yeah.
You work with Chris?
Kinda.
Kinda?
Yeah.
Thinking about it.
All right. Well, look, everybody, he's a
See
big
what all I
old
do.
Georgia fan.
Yeah, go dogs.
Yeah,
Come
won
on.
last night.
Yeah.
But
I'm still paying the price today. I'm exhausted right now.
oh man. Well, yeah, we're
Are you documenting this one?
yeah, it's on
Yeah,
YouTube.
it's on
you know?
YouTube. Listen.
Hey, YouTube, everybody. This is the man behind everything that I've been
man
doing
behind-
so far. So, you'll see more of him in the future. And you'll see more Jackson.
Oh,
Yeah, so let's go close this and I'll show you guys that. What's up, guys? So we reached the house and, just finished doing all the paperwork and stuff. So now let's go check out this piece of garbage. Nah, let's, we're going to go through it and see what needs to be done, what's good, the bad, the ugly. And, let's just see what we're sitting on. All right, guys. So, gotta clear out this entire house, and right now just in the garage space, and these people left a bunch of stuff. And one thing that I did notice is that there's this little dirt bike. So, that's gonna be real interesting. But let's go inside. Oh man, so as you can see, there's no light in here. Hopefully you guys can see me good enough. Let me get the light on my phone. But they left a ton of garbage in here. So all this stuff, they got kennels, we got a bag of Ruffles chips. They had dogs. Clearly they had dogs, because there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple dog bowls over there. Watch your step. There's dog shit over there. There's another kennel over here. But there's a kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen space. So the kitchen space, there's a bunch of crap that they left here. Got a fridge. The fridge is alright. I guess that's their son, Colin's up there, but got the fridge, got some beers. Yeah, maybe my workers will. Probably enjoy those beers, but I don't drink, so that ain't gonna be for me. But look at this. I even got a weed whacker. So there's already a bunch of profit in this house, all over the place. The stove looked really good, so that's a plus. That's the pantry over there. The window is open. It's freezing in here. Let's go to the back room. Watch your step. Watch your shit. Fireplace. You can see they had some sort of, this looked like, I don't know, looked like some sort of kerosene heating lamp or something. It's an old cabinet. What the hell that is? Oh boy. We got the water heater. Got the water heater, washer and dryer in there. Yeah, it's just a bunch of, got the breaker box back here. Floors is all right. I mean, it's pretty solid. We got in here, we got another fridge. I don't know why there's a fridge in here, but hey, it's a nice little fridge. AC. You gotta do some work in here, clearly. Clean up this, fix up this bathroom. Oh boy. Got another room over here. I mean, I got a lawnmower. So I inherited a lawnmower. I inherited a pressure washer. There's another weed whacker here. Dresser. I mean, hey, listen. They left me a couple $100 that I'm gonna have to put inside all this stuff here, but you got this room back here, which I don't know. We got a sewing. Does that look like a sewing machine? There's a bunch of garbage in this house. Another dresser. Yeah, we got a dresser. Second bathroom. That's the second full bathroom that's in there. You can show them that bathroom. It's the second full bathroom. Oh man, it's freezing in here. Bunch of clothes, mattresses. What's this? It's a closet. Got the closet with the Rockstar paint job, whatever the hell that is. And then we got the last room. This is the last room here. Another dresser. Probably throw all this dresser up on the internet or something. But yeah, it's a pretty big closet that's in there. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, hello? Yeah, hi. Evening, what's up? It is out. I'm gonna call you right back as soon as I get in the car, right? Alright, thanks. Alright guys, so yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. We could actually go around back. Let's go around back. All right, so, you know, this is the deck. They got some sort of old wooden shed over there. There's another little shed over there. I mean, for the most part, watch your step. Watch your step on this last step right here. Come, watch your step right there. That last step is a doozy. Definitely gonna have to change those steps out. But yeah, I mean, you know, this is really it. There is actually like a trailer park back there in the back portion, but it doesn't really affect this property much. It's freezing out here. You know, just gonna kind of clean up this whole yard, make it look a little bit better than it does now. You can see that the siding on the house here. The siding is pretty bad on the siding, so all this we're gonna, you know, redo all this siding. Gonna go over all of this, and I'm gonna keep the pergola because the pergola is pretty interesting. And yeah, that's really it. You know, once again, this was a cash purchase house, and yeah, it's time to get busy, you know, trying to really spend no more than probably about 2 weeks or so on this house, 2 to 3 weeks. You know, we're gonna get the guys working on this house ASAP, and we're just gonna go from there and you know, let you guys see the before and after process with this house. The same way I let you see I let you guys see the before and after process with the last house. Yeah, we're gonna do that, you know, same transformation here, and you know, we're gonna flip a profit. I mean, that's what it's all about. Today is January 10th, no, January 11th. We did look at this house since the first of the year, and you know, this year is gonna be, there's gonna be a lot of this going on this year. So you know, stay tuned, like, subscribe to this. We'll go over the numbers in the follow-up video, and yeah, you know, maybe this was something that you guys could, you know, get involved with it as well. So I gotta get back in the car, it's cold. So peace, guys. Thanks. Oh man, guys, as you can see, the trunk is full of a bunch of stuff, and I mean, that's just a fraction of some of the stuff that these people left in this house. And if some of you guys watched my last video, I told you there's value in everything around you. And I mean, literally right now in the trunk, I got over $500 in just value, of which I'm just gonna resell. You know, I'm gonna resell all this stuff to somebody else that needs this stuff. Like I said, it's at least $500 in just, you know, in just the bed of the truck right now. And the house is full of so much more stuff. Freaking PlayStations, video games, a bunch of stuff that they just abandoned. They just left in the house. So, you know, I'm going to see at least $1,000 roughly off of just the stuff that they left in the house, which is awesome. And I mean, you know, these are just some of the stuff that you look for when you're, you know, looking for a flip. You know, you might get lucky every now and then to actually get a house that people just literally walked away from and just left all their possessions. And there's always somebody else that is out there that want what someone else left. Like, you know, like I said before in my last video, one man's garbage is another man's treasure. So, you know, don't leave any stone unturned. Don't count anything out, because, you know, there's value in everything. So yeah, guys, listen, stay tuned. You know, plenty more to come. So you know, just hit that subscribe button, because trust me, you're gonna want to be around when you know, everything else unfolds with this flip and all the flips to come in the future. All right, guys, thanks, peace. Piece of garbage. All right, well, back up a little bit, honey. Just stepped this dog shit over there. Yeah. I'm trying to do something before this daylight is out. I'm gonna call you right back as soon as I get in the car, right? This is frame over here. Peace, guys. Thanks.